TypeScript program. We're going to create here a file, and actually we are going to create here a samples directory, because in this first portion of the course we will be showing different features of the language in just a few small files. So we are going to create a hello-world TypeScript file. Notice the .ts extension. This identifies the file as being a TypeScript file. And here we have it, our first hello world.ts file. We are going to simply log something to the console just to show that the compiler is working. In order to compile this program, you simply cd into the samples directory, so you should be in the directory, otherwise this will not work, and you simply call the TypeScript compiler and you point it to, in this case, the hello world.ts program. If we run this, everything was compiled correctly, meaning that we had no errors. But what was the output of this step? If you notice, you have here a small collapsible icon here in your hello world.ts file that was not there previously. So if you open it up, take a look, you have two files here in this directory. So these two files are the output of the compilation. So let's try to understand what's going on here. If we write the TypeScript file, if we type here something as simple as message, and we're going to assign it the hello world value that we had here, we can log it to the console, console.log message. So this is identical to what you would write in plain JavaScript. So if we run again the compiler, we are going to get a hello world.js file, which is basically identical to what we have written here. But TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So if, for example, you use here the let keyword, which is another way of defining a variable that has several advantages that we are about to learn, and we compile this again, now we will see a difference in the output of the compilation. Take a look. The let keyword was compiled into a var. But the let keyword is not plain JavaScript. I want you to bear that in mind, because now that we have confirmed that the compiler is working, that our environment is set up, we are going to start diving deep into TypeScript. We are going to learn why is it called TypeScript, what are the advantages of using TypeScript. It's coming right up in the next lesson.